Hi Zesties. Okay, I'm making sushi wraps, or also known as Kimbaps. So I am starting out. You know what? I might as well make 2 of them because I'm. Oh, am I out of? Oh, don't. Am I really out of seaweed? I swear I have more. Well, the other one I have is wasabi seaweed, which I don't really want, but as you can see, it was on sale at Walmart. So we're just gonna see how the kimbap is with wasabi. Oh, wasabi. What? With wasabi seaweed. Okay. Ooh, that sure has a lot of wasabi dust on it. I don't even know if that's gonna work for a kimbap, but it's just gonna have to do. Okay, so I'm trying my best to cut it into like fourths so that, I always cut it a little too like high. Let's hope I get it better on this one. Okay. Lovely. Okay, and now I have this tofu that I am going to try to cut at like the exact size that I need to put in here. Okay, let me see, because I want to... Ooh, it looks like I could put a block in it, or like a... I swear I need to start wearing hairnets, even though I'm just cooking at home. How do you guys avoid getting hair on stuff? Okay... So, I think, let me see. I'm like reluctant to say that these will fit because I've like tried to do nice blocks before and they don't fit. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit off of the sides. Okay, now I'm going to bread the tofu. Sesame oil. Just try to get it nice and coated. Where's my... Oh, here it is. That handy crispy fry. If you've never tried this, absolutely must. If you have anywhere that sells Filipino stuff near you. Oh, this just makes me miss the Filipino market so much. I miss you guys if you're watching. I wish that when I was going to the Filipino market, it was when I first started cooking. And I wish I could have made Filipino stuff and showed them. But oh well, you know what? I hope that one day they see my cooking and go, wow, that was that guy that used to come in here. Okay, I have to take this blazer off. And it is cold in Florida, Zesties. I can't believe it. You know, I don't live in the area where it was snowing. I'm sure you guys saw, like, snow and stuff on the news, but oh my gosh, where's the thingy, the top for this? And this is just not going the way that I want it to. Just kind of trying to make sure that it's like on all the sides and surfaces and stuff, because it is easier to bread with this stuff when I cut it into chunks. But I'm not trying to cut it into chunks today. I am trying to do like a tofu steak with it, so to speak. Okay, let's do the other piece. Oh, and I'm trying to eat these little pieces of tofu left behind. Okay, some more sesame oil. I think I put a little too much in there, but whatever. Hit it with our crispy fry. Okay. I am just gonna shake this around and hope for the best. Lightly and carefully shake it around. Ooh. The smell is very intense. Okay, I'm gonna consider that done because I'm hungry. Oh, I was like, please tell me this is clean, and it's not. Okay, I'm putting these in the air fryer now. And then I'm gonna look for my saran wrap. Oh my gosh. Okay, they fit. Then I'm gonna look for my saran wrap, which I'm gonna freak out if I don't have it because it's like mega essential for this. Saving this for later. Now I'm toasting some sesame seeds down here on this side that you can't really see. Because why not? And you know what, before I forget, let's spray these things. And because I'm gonna flip them over in the middle too, I am flipping and also spraying. Oh no! I sprayed it with the seasoned spray. I sprayed it with the wrong spray. Dang it. Well, too late now, and I'm not, not redoing it or anything. Ugh, that makes me so mad though, because I was purposely avoiding using the seasoned spray. Because it has like American type seasonings, and I don't like to mix seasonings. If I do Asian, I use Asian seasonings only. Whatever. Hopefully the seasonings are not too strong. Okay, so I'm gonna start setting one of these up. Now, I am doing the method where you cut it into quarters and you like fold it over on itself. And I always forget which square the rice goes on. I am trying to make it so that the rice ends up being on both the top and the bottom. And I believe it is the left-right square. I swear, you guys, I need to start wearing a hairnet. I don't know. Any home cooks, how do you avoid getting hair in the food? Or am I going bald? I don't think I'm going bald. Okay, but I believe it's the top right and bottom left that makes the rice end up being on the top and bottom. And I forgot, I want some green onions in this thing too. There are some pieces of this green onion that I do not really like. You guys can't even see me. I'm sorry, Zesties. I am new and I am doing my best with everything, okay? You guys see my videos always come out with errors. I have to learn how to edit. But you know what? All in due time, Zesties. 1.2 thousand Zesties, road to 1 million. Okay. Okay. So, now the ugly green onions are with the nice ones. Well, first off, is that enough rice? I think I need to check on that tofu too. This would be vegan if I weren't using real mayonnaise, but let's just say, ooh, that looks so good. That crispy fry is really so amazing. It's just such a miracle. I wonder who came up with it. It's so perfect. It just comes out so perfect. Okay, I'm eating that one with the green onions. This one with the sesame seeds. Why don't we get that tofu? Oh, you know what I just realized? Oh, you know what? That's fine. No worries. I'm sorry, I meant to say, let's get that kimchi. And I'm being careful not to put too much because I want this to be able to close. Let's see. I need a dry, whatever, good enough. Is that done, or should I? You know what? Let's just let it go for a tiny bit more, just in case. So, to be honest, I could have let these go for a little more, but I am hungry and want to eat them. So, actually, you know what? No, this looks good. This looks perfect. Ooh, yummy. Gosh, that crispy fry is so perfect, and it works so well with tofu. Actually, I should have put the, gosh, I hope I got the, order of this right. I should have put the saran wrap down first, but whatever. And I could have put more kimchi, but whatever. No, see, the rice was supposed to go there. Ugh. I'm so mad at myself, Zesties. But okay, you know what? We have one more try. I always forget the order to make the rice come out where I want it to. I am so mad at myself, Zesties. So now basically I just try to smush this all up in here so that it turns into a nice little sandwich. Right? Actually, I need a bigger saran wrap. Man, Zesties, I'm so mad that I messed up that rice. I don't know what I was... Well, you know what? Watch, I'm gonna mess it up again. It's so hard to get the right square. I always forget what's the correct, order, whatever. Hey, whatever, who cares? I'm eating and I'm enjoying. Okay, let's do it, and this time let's do it right. So, I believe that... Wait, let me think. Okay, if that one ended up on top and I did flip... Wait, let me see. That one's on top. I flip there. Then I flip there. Then I flip there. See, I don't get it, because to me that one is still on... You know what? Whatever. I'm trying to think of the math of this. Okay. I think it might be that you have to do these two top ones as the ones with rice. Watch me fail. But hey, you know what? Your failure can be, hey, maybe this is good. You can tell me in the comments what is the correct square that the rice is supposed to go on. Because I don't know. I'm gonna be mad if I mess them up too, but I always mess up the order. myself some credit, because regardless of whatever like order messing up I'm doing, I'm making some wonderful, beautiful kimbap, whatever it's called. Okay. I just love that crispy fries, SDs. Does anyone here use crispy fry? I got clove. I can't figure out which one I messed up on, but whatever, I don't care. I am hungry, and this is gonna have to do. Is this big enough? Okay, and now to cut them, and to see how they turned out. So... Oops, and my battery is dying. What do you guys think, Zesties? Here, there's some in the back that are being, like, blocked, but... Actually, I think the ones with the tofu on the bottom turned out really nice. What do you think? Yeah, that looks really nice and beautiful. Okay, hey. Tofu on the bottom it is. Yum, yum, yum.